Gates open, that up and racing. EJ's Magic draws for your lead. Queen Alicia is by the rail. Then running on the outside, third getting better Musashi. While Lakay is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900 with EJ's Magic by about 3 lengths. By the rail second, Queen Alicia moving up on the outside, getting better. Musashi remains in fourth and Lakay in the order. Heading towards the last 600, EJ's Magic still leading the field, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Queen Alicia getting better now, moving up on the outside, catching the second spot. Dropping back in third, Queen Alicia. Lakay is coming in fourth as they come up towards the last 200. EJ's Magic by about 2 lengths, getting better, remains in second, Queen Alicia. With 150 to go, EJ's Magic by about 6. From start to finish, it's all EJ's Magic, getting better. Queen Alicia, Musashi, and Lakay comes in last all the way.
Okay, Banderang tapos, crossing the wire first.